Today I want to talk about something that's really important in the realm of elderly care, Lewy body dementia. It's actually the second most common cause of dementia in older adults, right after Alzheimer's. This condition can really affect the lives of those we care for, so let's break it down. Lewy body dementia, or LBD, involves these abnormal protein deposits called Lewy bodies. Imagine them as tiny, smooth, round lumps that show up inside nerve cells of the brain. These little troublemakers can really mess with how the brain functions. You'll find them scattered throughout the outer layer of the brain, known as the cerebral cortex, and even deeper inside the midbrain and brainstem. Now, why are they called Lewy bodies? Well, they were first identified by a neurologist named Frederick Lewy back in 1912. He was actually a contemporary of Alois Alzheimer, the guy who discovered Alzheimer's disease. Although interesting, it's not exactly the kind of discovery anyone wants to deal with. One of the tricky things about Lewy body dementia is that researchers aren't entirely sure if it's its own distinct disease or just a variation of Alzheimer's or Parkinson's disease. This uncertainty is because the symptoms of LBD can really mimic those of Parkinson's or Alzheimer's. So you might see movement problems similar to Parkinson's or memory issues like those in Alzheimer's. It's a bit of a puzzle, to say the least. The first time I had heard of Lewy body was after Robin Williams died. I cannot imagine being the incredible comedian and no longer being able to act, perform, or do what he did best, was to make people laugh. Speaking of symptoms, they can be quite diverse. People with LBD might experience visual hallucinations, fluctuating levels of alertness, and even movement difficulties. It's a lot to handle, but there is hope. As a world leader in dementia disorders, UCSF offers comprehensive assessments and care for people dealing with Lewy body dementia. They work closely with patients to find the right medications that can help alleviate the symptoms. They might also recommend speech therapy to help improve communication and physical therapy to stretch and strengthen those stiff muscles. So, if you're a caregiver, remember that you're not alone in this. There are resources and experts out there to help you navigate this challenging journey. Take care of yourselves as well, because your well-being is just as important. That's all for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might need this information. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.